Hi, in this video we'll be adding a second language spell checker to Microsoft Edge. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have the correct version of Edge installed where the logo looks like a wave. Open it with a double click and let's go to a page to show that the spell checker isn't working for Danish. So here I wrote, "Hi, my name is Adam" in Danish, and most of the words are spelled incorrectly. According to the spell checker, of course. To add Danish spell checker, you right click, go down to Check Languages and Language Settings. On this page, in the top right, you click Add Language and find the language you want to add. In this case, Danish. We check it. Then we go down to turn on the spell checker. When we go back to our page and press Enter, we can see the Danish spell checker now works together with the English spell checker. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video is useful.